Hello friends, welcome back. Owen here. Today let's go over Facebook ads. Facebook has revolutionized the world of digital advertising, providing businesses with a powerful platform to reach and engage their target audiences. With its extensive user base and robust targeting capabilities, Facebook offers a wealth of opportunities for businesses of all sizes. In this article, we will explore the key steps and strategies for effectively using Facebook for advertising. 1. Define your advertising goals. Before diving into Facebook advertising, it's crucial to define your advertising goals. Are you looking to drive website traffic, generate leads, increase brand awareness, or boost sales? Clearly identifying your objectives will help you create focused and measurable campaigns. 2. Set up your Facebook Business Manager account. To get started with Facebook advertising, create a Facebook Business Manager account. This centralized hub allows you to manage multiple Facebook pages, ad accounts, and assets in one place. It provides a streamlined interface for creating, monitoring, and analyzing your ad campaigns. 3. Understand your target audience. Facebook's targeting capabilities are one of its greatest strengths. Take the time to understand your target audience demographics, interests, behaviors, and preferences. Leverage Facebook's Audience Insights tool to gain valuable insights about your audience and refine your targeting parameters. 4. Create compelling ad campaigns. To create effective ad campaigns on Facebook, consider the following elements. Ad objectives. Select the appropriate ad objective based on your goals, such as brand awareness, engagement, traffic, conversions, or lead generation. Ad formats. Facebook offers various ad formats, including image ads, video ads, carousel ads, slideshow ads, and collection ads. Choose formats that align with your goals and resonate with your audience. Ad copy. Craft compelling and concise ad copy that grabs attention and communicates the value proposition of your product or service. Experiment with different messaging to see what resonates best with your audience. Visuals. Use high-quality and attention-grabbing visuals that align with your brand. Test different images or videos to see which ones generate the most engagement. Call to action, CTA. Incorporate a clear and compelling CTA that encourages users to take the desired action, such as shop now, learn more, or sign up. 5. Targeting and audience segmentation. Utilize Facebook's robust targeting options to refine your audience and ensure your ads are reaching the right people. Consider creating different ad sets targeting specific audience segments based on demographics, interests, behaviors, or custom audience lists. 6. Utilize custom audiences and lookalike audiences. Custom audiences and lookalike audiences are powerful tools for reaching highly targeted and relevant users. Custom audiences. Upload your customer email list, website visitors, or app users to create custom audiences. This allows you to target ads to people who have already shown interest in your brand. Lookalike audiences. Use lookalike audiences to expand your reach by targeting users who are similar to your existing customer base. Facebook analyzes your custom audience and finds users with similar demographics and interests. 7. Optimize your ad campaigns. Continuously monitor the performance of your ad campaigns and make data-driven optimizations. Split testing. Conduct A/B testing by creating multiple versions of your ads or ad elements to see which variations perform better. Ad placement. Experiment with different ad placements, such as Facebook Newsfeed, Instagram, Audience Network, or Messenger, to find the ones that yield the best results. Budget and bidding strategy. Adjust your budget and bidding strategy based on campaign performance. Test different bidding options like cost per click, CPC, cost per mil, CPM, or optimized cost per impression, OCPM, to maximize your return on ad spend. Ad frequency and refreshing. Monitor ad frequency to prevent ad fatigue. Refresh your ad creatives periodically to maintain user interest. 8. Monitor and analyze results. Use Facebook Ads Manager to track key performance metrics such as reach, engagement, click-through rates, CTR, conversions, and return on ad spend, ROAS. Analyze the data to identify trends, insights, and areas for improvement. Adjust your strategies based on these insights to optimize your campaigns. 9. Retargeting and remarketing. Implement retargeting and remarketing campaigns to re-engage users who have shown interest in your website or products. Use the Facebook Pixel to track user behavior and serve targeted ads to those who have visited your site or taken specific actions. 10. Stay updated with Facebook's advertising policies and features. Facebook's advertising policies and features are constantly evolving. Stay informed about any policy changes or new features introduced by Facebook to ensure compliance and take advantage of the latest advertising opportunities. If not, you can get banned quickly, without even knowing why. Trust me. Haha. In conclusion, Facebook advertising provides businesses with immense potential to reach and engage their target audiences. By defining your goals, leveraging advanced targeting options, creating compelling ad campaigns, optimizing based on data, and utilizing tools like custom audiences and remarketing, you can effectively promote your brand and achieve your advertising objectives on Facebook. Stay proactive, monitor performance, and adapt your strategies to leverage the full power of Facebook's advertising platform for business success. I hope you found this helpful. Either way, please like, comment, and subscribe. Haha. Check out the links in the description below for an awesome free program. See ya there. Stay safe.